Hello friends, how are you guys doing? I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Blessing. If today is the first time of watching my video or passing by, please subscribe, like, comment. Please on the notification bell whenever I upload it, be the first to notify, please. In today's recipe is veggies. I have my long beans here, green beans. I have my chicken breast and tomatoes, yellow bell peppers, my spices. I have pepper, garlic powder, Maggi powder, yes, and some curry powder, and I have my white pepper, my purple onions here, and my olive oil. I've put in some inside my pot that I will use to fry my chicken breast a little bit. And I have boiling egg. I will bring it out later. Please stay tuned. Let's start this process of our veggies recipe. Thank you so much. So friends, I'm frying my chicken breast a little bit. Stay tuned, let's do it together. Thank you so much. So I finished frying my chicken breast. I'll put another here for my veggies. So this is my chicken breast here. And this is my boiling egg. So now I'll add in my onions. I'll put in my spices and mix everything together. Then I'll add some of my tomatoes. Tomatoes is small. I'll add in my yellow bell peppers. In my long beans now. So this is the remaining one. I'll put this one also. Then I will mix together. After that, I'll add my chicken breast. Please stay tuned. Thank you very much. Very nice. So now I'll put my chicken breast inside now, and I will mix together. Mix together, stay tuned. So I'll put in my remaining onion. It's optional this one. If you like, you can put the onion. If you don't like, you can't put it like this. Hello friends, so I finished my veggies. So with this how it look good. So this is the boiling egg that I boiled. I said I have eggs, so I just put this egg on it. It's optional. If you want, you can put eggs. If you don't like, don't put, please. This is how I want to prepare it today. It's very nice and yummy. So you can use it to eat. You can eat it like that, or you can use it to eat spaghetti or rice, whatever you feel to eat. You can use it to eat. Please try this recipe. Like this video, share, comment, support me, please. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you very much. You're always supporting me for watching my videos. My YouTube friends, thank you so much.